It was 5. Oh, wait,
Oh, I see someone join.
It's me. Do you see a red pit pipe?
Well, I'm spinning wheels. I can't keep no traction. Yes. Did you see me?
Hey, guys,
Even with these, I get no
I'll be right
traction.
back.
It's because my tires are mighty now.
But no, guys, I'll be right back. Guys, let me get my headset on so you guys can hear Jason. Yeah, Jason, you there?
Yeah.
Alright. And now I'm back. Guys, sorry about that. I don't know how to go live because that's something I do want to do. It's just,
Winning Gibeus.
huh?
I got lied to. Why did I listen to that kid anyway?
Who?
That baby.
Oh.
Ooh, this road's rough, Aiden.
Where are you?
Oh, crap. Oh, I just sold my truck, basically.
You know
Hey,
what?
at least I centered on the road. I hit whack 2 trees that over.
Are
like,
you
at
at
100 miles
the
an hour.
spawn?
No, I'm not at spawn. I just an upper road on the way back to spawn, so.
Oh, so.
I think these American flags are good flying in the wind, though. Do you think so?
Yeah.
Oh, dual flip! I just did a double flip. You like how my antenna also goes with them, too?
No, I'm on my way up to you, so stay still. Don't move.
I just washed my tires off.
I mean, nice thing about a pit bike is you can go out under rails, like I was. And you can also wheelie up a tree. No, OffroadOutlaws should add ice, though.
This is a snow map.
I know, but like, ice.
Oh, so where you could drift it?
No, like, ice on the water.
Anyways.
Stay, boys. Man, I already got Forza.
I'm
Stay, boys.
Back.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, this road is rough. Holy. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so rough, especially on a pit bike. But it's perfect for a pit bike because it's just like a ton of mini jumps.
What is?
That super rough road that's like dirt. Oh.
I'm gonna call y'all back later. Yes, I just hung up with them.
I'm not. That's honestly good because then we don't have to hear them. Cause I don't.
You still hear them?
Yeah, a little.
I have my earbud. Oh yeah, cause my mic's on the side of my earbud.
You know, I'm curious if they can hear my sound because I don't know. Because this is my first time playing OffroadOutlaws with sound while recording.
I don't use sound. Should I change my tires to a more suitable tire?
Sure. Hey,
Maybe
wait.
Should I do street tires or should I do mud?
Do you have a gun?
Mud?
Shaden.
Actually, I'm gonna do rock crawling tires.
13 minutes already? God damn.
I can get one.
Yeah, buy a gun. And then we can go on that.
My kid won't let me borrow his no more though.
No, I'm talking in OffroadOutlaws. God.
I plead the fifth.
Jaden, what did I tell you about getting guns from Book Fire Kid?
Yeah, he kind of banned me from getting them.
I'm not surprised.
Actually, he banned me from the Glock. I don't know about the AK.
Jaden, I'm recording and they can hear you, Jaden.
Oh, they can?
Yes.
He flicks balls for a living.
Jaden? Guys,
It's John Morant, bro.
it's just a joke that me and him have. Isn't that right, Jaden?
Yeah.
Let's go, just shot a bird and killed it, so now we can get that cash.
Okay, I don't know what tag to put on.
No, save one, buy gun, so we can make more money.
I believe I already have one. Yeah, I already got one.
2 birds in
I
a
got
row?
the rifle with the scope.
Same.
So, what tires do I get, Aiden?
I would go with those big mud tires that we always use. Or that I always
The
use.
15 grand ones?
Yeah. That would look super aggressive.
I like the way this truck sits, but I think with these tires I need the bigger ones.
Yeah.
Or wait a minute.
I know what you mean.
There you go.
I know what you mean.
I'm gonna increase the width of these ones too. Okay. 0 to 49.
No, I switched map. So the code
What's
is
the code?
0853. Someone's gonna guess that. I saw if someone guesses it.
0853. Didn't work.
You know.
Exit out, play again.
You know the map, right? You know what map I'm on, right?
Exit out. The one that we were doing.
No,
Used to do.
yeah, the one.
The small one that has all the birds.
Yeah, that one.
I can't remember my truck around there.
I'm just on here because I need cash.
Okay, it's not working, games, so we're gonna do my map.
Yeah. I'm just on here
Not
getting some
that
cash.
one, though. Do you have... What do you have? That would be good.
We could do that OG map that we always
Realistic
use.
RP10 map, racetracks, trails, and more. It's our hunting. We can do that one. But
Sure.
it's an RP and it's under hunting.
Oh yeah, let's do that because then if those birds we can hunt and do RP. But I'm gonna appeal off do not disturb because then I don't get notifications on my Xbox. There we go.
I'm listening to music on my Xbox and you. The code is 3695. Ooh, with these ones I can actually drift, Aiden.
Better, huh? Are you happy I told you to do those? Okay, so only 10 grand. That's not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, it's only a couple boxes.
Okay, so what's the code? 78.
No. 36.
36.
Seabird. 95.
95. What?
Wait, did I tell you the wrong code?
3695.
96.
Oh, 96. Okay.
Yeah, I said 95 because I wasn't in my.
So 3696.
3696. Yeah.
36.
I get
3696 or 3695.
3696.
3696. So 3696.
Yeah.
But I've already been recording for 18 minutes. God. I did think I was. So
I got 2
3696.
grand from one. Yeah.
Yeah,
They're
that's
not working.
no. Here, for custom map.
Let's both exit out of OffroadOutlaws.
I already tried that. Hunting. Is it called realistic or
It's only one under hunting.
Okay, yeah. I'm loading into that. So let's see. if you can join me. Because I'm fine with booting my PC up. It's just I don't want to. Just to host and then leave. Cause
Would you use BlueStacks?
hmm?
Did you use BlueStacks?
No. I'm using this app called Record It.
No, to play Off-Road Outlaws.
No, it's the App Store that I use. It's just because it's a computer that doesn't have anything banned on it.
Yeah, so I have my laptop right here, so I got this secret.
Oh no, someone's gonna guess this code. Can I redo this? Because someone's gonna guess the code. It's 0108.
0108. I don't believe you. Oh my god. He was not lying. I know you're not lying because I'm loading it.
Now you see why I want to remake.
Isn't it nice how I spent the 30 minutes on this thing that someone beat in 51 seconds and I still haven't beat it?
Don't you like how I want to make a new?
Because I keep falling. It's called getting over it.
No, I want a new code just so no one can guess it.
No. Oh my god. I accidentally clicked on that. I was trying to just like,
Me,
look.
me popping a C-Boys, riding pit bikes down the road.
Me chasing you down in the most American truck you'll see. Me drift into the trailer park.
Oh hell no! Oh hell no!
This thing drifts too well.
Boy, no, you ain't ever gonna tag me.
Oh, we're playing tag?
Yeah. You ain't even gonna tag me.
I know, Colonial, demon trailer park. I got speed, you got agility.
Yeah. I also have some good speed though. Hi! I saw you pass me. Oh hell no! Don't look back.
Gotcha.
No, you don't. You can't tag me. You physically.
This is my chance to run.
No. Oh. Oh, I tried to tag me now.
I don't have an all-wheel drive.
Tag me now. You can't.
I was drifting.
You physically can't tag me, Jason.
I tagged you.
No.
Yeah, I did. I literally ran you over. I tagged you.
I didn't. No, I didn't even give. I didn't see you.
Don't you try pulling that.
Okay, let's No, let's not. Chayton?
I'm going somewhere you can't.
Sell that and buy a dope bike. Just first respawn until you are where I'm at.
Am I where you're at? No.
Hi.
Tag.
No. Do you see what I see? But you got that jump too, huh? Yo, chill. My phone wasn't. Guys, I can't make this up. But I physically can't make this up. No, because I don't have the membership. No. Because it's not made by my username. Wait, this doesn't count. No, that doesn't. No, that doesn't count. No, that's not even fair. Cause I got stuck. I was trying to. That's not even. It's not even fair at this point. Hey, Steve boys, if you see this pit bike is for you. I'm hauling as fast as possible. Nah, usually win. Yeah, you've done looks, but nothing. You've done looks, nothing else. That's the first thing I do to all my trucks. Oh, I like this. Hold up. Can I glitch my way in there? Oh, I bet. So let's rip on it. Let's rip it. Boy, it would. But then you would have to turn name tags and whatnot off. Which, yeah, but you cannot. And you would also have to hide name tags. Be- you do you not know how to do that? There's two little people next to like three emojis. No, yeah. Now, do you see my username? Yeah. But this is even fail. This thing is barely even upgraded. And this is my only vehicle. Hi. No, I went under you. I did it earlier. Well, I had to reset because I fell off the map. So you don't. No, I know you reset multiple times. I got stuck a couple times, you know. You know how it is, Chayton, you know. Pit bikes are easy to get stuck. Hey! No! I was it! No, you are it! You know. You can still come get me. I. I mean, you can still get me. You can still. I'm on the road. No, you did not hit me. You did not hit me. You did not hit me. No, on my screen you were like 2 feet behind me. Alright. Yeah. Alright guys, this will be it. Since my earbuds are getting low on battery, and that's what I'm using as a mic right now. So this will be it. Wait, Jayden, come tag me, come tag me, come tag me. No, am I? I don't know at this point. Just try, just. I know you on it, but hypothetically, if you would try to tag me. Do you even know where I'm at? Hi. You physically can't. You can't. Oh hell no! I'm good. How? How? Uh, no, I'm just doing. No, I'm somewhere where you can. It's just you choose not to. Because you should have known that I was going to pop out somewhere. Alright guys, that's it. So see ya. Oh, I regret making it.